I'm in the middle of a project right now with the blue Jongbao, custom Jongbao, and FedEx just dropped off a box. And the weird thing for me is that today is Sunday, around 2 p.m. But anyways, let's see what's this mystery box for you has inside. Let's take a look. Right, we have chicken curry, and here's toad. Wow, dirty. I need to clean this. This is tender ducks. No, look. I don't know. I forgot. I got a brake van. Needs to clean up a lot. It's dirty. This is a Mr. Bubbles chocolate car. It's missing the sticker. Okay, we have Henrietta. Oh man, everything is clean. Clarabelle with a dent right there. Oh, disgusting. Okay, Southern mining car. I think this car is from the set, the Happy Holidays or the Holiday Train set. And I got this water tanker. We have Cormansgate Mining Company car. Another Southern Mining Company car. This one flips from ore to, what's that, rock? Another hopper car, Southern Mining hopper car. I got the ice cream factory car. Everything is a lot of wash and clean. Oh, look at this, Southern ice cream box car, covered car. Okay, I got another ice cream factory car. Oh, look at this, one more ice cream car. And I got this Thomas from Hittai Company. Looks nice, not bad. Okay, one more Thomas, another Hittai Company. Right there, maybe you can see it. It looks good. It looks good to me because I used to modify this, repaint it as Timothy Dico's engine, or the green Tomas, the origins. And I have, it's heavy. Look, I think it's the batteries inside. Dennis. Oh man, this train needs a lot of cleaning. The battery is dead. I hope it's not corrosion inside. Okay, next. I got another Percy. And it's in a decent condition. It needs just a wash and clean. Okay. Next I got Scarloy. Little dusty. And it's heavy. I think the battery is inside too. And oh, look at this. This is good. I found this Christmas holiday Thomas. Needs a little touch up. Batteries inside too, maybe. I don't know. Wow, this is definitely a restoration. Oh man, heavily damaged. And I got Bertram. Why these trains are so dirty? People don't care about the trains. They should care more of them. These are getting hard to find, collectible items. And I've got this Byron. I think it's Byron, yes. I forgot the name of the trains. Yes, it's Byron from Hitoy Company. It's been a while that I don't sell on eBay since January. I stopped buying and selling on January until today, September. Okay, and the last one, I found this amazing because these are really hard to find items too. Buster from Hitoy Company, 2008. Wow. Let's take a look inside of the trains, how bad they look. So I'm going to start left to right. Okay. Battery compartment contacts, they look clean. Okay, working. Next, Thomas. Looks clean too. Gear axle broken. Okay, next Scarroy. Dead battery. Clean contacts. Completely dead. Okay. Guns. There's a lot of hair inside. It does not allow him to run. Oh man. Okay, the Tram. It looks clean. I couldn't find any tender. Okay, it's working. Nice. Just a little bit of gear cleaning might need to do. Okay, let's see pairs. Pairs is dead. Oh, it's working. Cool. See, one of the main reasons if your train is slow, it's because there are a lot of hair or carpet hair build up in the axles right here. So you gotta remove the screws right on the bottom and take it apart and clean the axles so it will run smooth again. I mean, it will be more faster because the hairs make it slow. Okay, the last one is this terrible. This Thomas, oh man, it's clean, but the problem is I don't know what happened. Why? Anyways, and it's working. Amazing. I thought it might be a piece of crap. Just need a little cleaning. So I'm gonna clean everything up. Oh, look at this dirt. A lot of dirt. It doesn't need a lot of work, but definitely I gotta take everything apart and clean very deep. Okay, what do you guys think? Hope you guys like this mystery box unboxing, and see you the next video. I gotta finish my blue John Bow